Hi there, it's Shell and Clint.
Hey, hola!
Oh, you guys. I'm just kind of doing a flip through right now. I wanted to tell you guys we are having such major computer issues that right now it's taking hours and hours and hours to get a video uploaded. And it's because our computer gets hot and so it shuts down. So I'll leave it off for like an hour, turn it back on, and try to upload a little bit more, and then they'll shut down again, and it's just an ongoing issue. So we're going to do a fairly short video just to get something up today and put these guys in the store. And then Clint will do a video later today that we can work on getting up for you guys in the morning. He's going to do a video about how he did the what is it, edging?
The border, yeah.
Yeah, of this journal. Just so you guys can see that. I know some people said they would have liked to have seen that. So, this one, we'll have pictures up so you guys can pick which one you want. This one we're just going to call Merry Christmas. And it has this beautiful ribbon on it. And I love how this turned out. There's about 15, 16 pages. And we have the two cute little charms at the bottom. So I'm just going to go through it again and just kind of show you guys in case you haven't seen it before. Clint did make this cover. It does have that bowl material in the inside, and then he covered that with this beautiful fabric. I love this fabric. I think it's so pretty. And then kind of like some poinsettia and pine cone fabric on the inside. So this is a TN, which is also known as a traveler's notebook. And there is a full, pretty much start to finish on these. There's an open pocket. I did use kind of the formula that Miss Gail used on a journal that I got from her. So, and I just put some little pieces in here. You can use that to decorate your journal, or you can put maybe coffee dye paper on the back of them and journal on the back of them. I have a red doily in this one. Just some fun papers. Here is some knitting. I think this is knitting. Yeah. This is some rose paper that Clint and we boiled down some roses, and this is what we came up with. Some children's book, a ledger page, which I thought went really nice in here. Just some pretty papers that we just loved. This is from a Norman Rockwell book. And then I created this fun envelope, and it has magnets on it. So you can put money in here if you wanted to. You could put receipts. You could put Christmas list that you don't want anyone to see, that kind of thing. You know, if you buy gifts and you get those gift receipts, that would be a nice place to store them. You know they're not going to fall out.
You are being watched, honey, by little Jazzy Lynn.
Is Jazzy Lynn watching me? Here's Sophia.
Hi, Butterball.
She come up, walked around me. Now she's going to see Daddy.
Hi.
So this has some music paper in it, which I love. I guess I put two side by side, huh? That's okay. I tell you, I thought I saw that. That's okay. That's what I want for Christmas is the name of this song. That's cute. Some paper, beautiful coffee dye paper. Like I said, most of my coffee dye paper comes from GT Designs on Etsy. And she has the most gorgeous paper. A long pocket that was a Gail. I don't know if she designed it or if someone designed it. And then coffee dye paper that she punched like a pretty little border. And plenty of journaling space. Again, you can put your Christmas list there if you'd like. It's a cute little journal for keeping up with all your, you know, Christmas goodies, things like that. There is a little pocket here. And did I put a paper in there? I did. Okay. Sorry, it's kind of hard to tell. And just, I used a lot of my scrap pages to go in here. That way I'm not left with tons of them. And it gives you plenty to kind of write with and stuff. So these will be available over on my website on Etsy, which is The Rambling Crafter on Etsy. There's always a link below. So there's a little bird in here, a beautiful fabric flip, and just beautiful papers in here. This is a page from an Ideal magazine. Some more ledger. It's a different type of ledger paper. And some notebook paper. Plenty of places to journal in here. Here is a belly band. I didn't put anything under that, huh? So, but beautiful places. Here's where the charms go. And then they just hang down here. But plenty of note-taking. You know, you can keep up with your Christmas programs, things like that. We have a lot of that going on. Or maybe we'll go and see the lights or something like that. So it's kind of a fun place to keep track of all that stuff. Here's that Ideal magazine, more birds. I love that bird paper. And these bags, I think these are from Jan. Thank you, Jan. I think they're from you. Or if they're not, somebody else tell me who they're from. I have one of those memories that I remember pretty much everything since I was like 4 years old. And someone will say, oh, do you remember this? And it's like a movie will kind of flash through my head. My sister was telling me something, and I could remember every detail. Almost like even the clothes people were wearing in that situation, and it was just really odd. But unfortunately, I remember pretty much everything. Once in a while, I don't, but for the most part, I do. This is the napkin, and this was on coffee dyed paper. And we made it into a little tag spot. And this one has journaling spot. I thought that Gail had originally just glued it all down. But my friend Jamie said that wasn't the case. And I'm glad she told me that, because I'd hate to waste this gorgeous paper. So that, and then that was made into a pocket with a little bit more paper, coffee dyed paper, 2 music papers. That's so funny. I don't know how I did that. But the rest of the Norman Rockwell sheet, and then the rest of that picture. That's so pretty. Ledger paper, beautiful children's book. The rose paper. Oh, wait a minute. This wasn't rose paper. Sorry. I thought it was, but this was actually my attempt at eco dyeing. Yeah. It didn't work out very well. And then the rest of that paper. Plenty of things you can cover up, tons of stuff. And then tags and journaling spots in the back. So, and then I just tied it with this really pretty ribbon. I think it goes really nicely with this. So again, this one's going to be called Merry Christmas. It's going to be in my Etsy when this video goes live. So, and then this one I absolutely adore. I think it's so pretty. But it has this beautiful ribbon that just goes so nicely with it. Clint did a beautiful job on the cover. He did both covers, by the way. And he curved these corners, so I curved the corners of the inside of the journal, and then look at that fabric. Isn't that gorgeous? So we're just going to kind of go through here. It's kind of the same, a few things different. So there's a pocket in the front, a doily. This is some sprayed lace file folder that Clint made, I think for last Christmas. Some journaling paper, some more of that eco-dyed paper. I can tell because now it's got rose petals and stuff on it.
Come on.
Here's one of those large pockets with the journaling sheet. And then there's a pocket here. This beautiful fabric flip covering up this Norman Rockwell paper. Isn't that beautiful? And this beautiful cardinal. I think it's so pretty. Children's paper. I just thought it'd be fun and kind of whimsical, and plus Gail used some children's paper in hers. A little bag. This was from my friend Sue. So, coffee dyed paper, music paper. This one has snowflakes and stuff on it. I love how that looks. The Angels, this is the Ideal Magazine paper. The Bird Book paper. Isn't that pretty? Just pretty. This is where your magnetic pocket is. And it just goes in there like that. Pocket here. There's nothing in that pocket. And this is the center of the signature, and this one also has a bell and a key. The bird paper, plenty of places to journal, places you could cover up. I love this eco-dyed paper. Not eco-dyed, Ideal Magazine paper, sorry.
Hi, Daddy Man.
Pretty, pretty papers. Here's the belly band on this one. There's a little tuck there. Coffee dyed papers. A little sack.
Okay.
The children's paper. The bird paper. This is the envelope, yeah. No. Coffee dyed paper with the napkin on it. This one does not open because, like I said, I had thought that Gail had glued it all down and she did not. But so this one is just a solid sheet of paper with a little tag in it. So you don't have the extra journaling in this one. That little boy, I love him. I think he's so cute. This is the eco-dyed paper, coffee dyed paper, ledger paper. Isn't that pretty? I love that. And the back of the file folder, and then the doily, and then some more tags and papers. So I don't know which one's my favorite. I'm kind of leaning towards this one, but the one with the binding on the edge.
I love the border.
I think that one turned out so pretty.
The color of it, and just
yeah, it just really brought it together, and you know, Clint had a lot of fun doing it. But like I said, we're having major computer issues, so we're trying to I'm trying to fix those, and I'm shopping around for a new computer just because mine is so slow, and now it's taking forever to upload a video. So, but we will have a full or bigger, longer video for you guys tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying the snow. We saw snow up in the Denver area, and hope you guys are all enjoying the snow and the cooler weather. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in either one of these, this one again is going to be called Merry Christmas. This one's going to be called Poinsettia. And they will be in our Etsy shop, and the link is below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out our channel. And we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
adios.